Lovelies, welcome back. It's good to see you guys. Anyway, today I am going to do the super hair growth concoction for you. I'm going to get started because this might be kind of lengthy and I don't want it to be that lengthy. If you're new here, please click that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of my uploads. I upload on Mondays and Fridays. Okay, so let's get into it. This is how I make my hair growing concoction. The first oil I'm going to use, they're in random order. I'm just picking them up. Okay, the first oil is a grapeseed oil. Okay, grapeseed oil is an excellent oil to use in the hair growth concoction because it's a very light oil. It's a penetrating oil. It's excellent for your scalp. It promotes growth and it's an antioxidant. And you can also use this as a standalone oil for your hair. You can straighten your hair with this. It has heat protectant and it also protects your hair from the sun, from sun damage. So this is an excellent oil and I use this in all my hair growth concoctions. Okay, also the next oil is the avocado oil. The avocado is a very light oil, antioxidant, stimulating hair growth oil, very light textured oil. And if you want to know more about almond oil, I'm going to leave the information about all these oils in the link. You can click on it and do your research. But this is a great oil to add to a hair growing concoction. The next oil I'm going to use, this is the avocado oil. Avocado oil is another light oil. And this one also promotes hair growth. This is stimulating oil, penetrating oil, penetrates the scalp very easily, moisturizing. It contains omega-6, which is excellent for hair growth. Okay, the next oil that I grabbed was the castor oil. Now the castor oil is a super duper star in this hair growing concoction. I think I had it backwards, but anyway, this castor oil helps to grow edges back. If you want to know more about this castor oil, it's going to be in the link. Just click on it and you can do your research on the castor oil. This is Jamaican black castor oil. Now if you have problems with your edges, this is a very helpful oil. You got to be consistent with it. That's the thing. Anytime you do anything pertaining to your body, your hair, exercise, eating, you have to be consistent to see results. Castor oil works for your eyebrows. It works on your eyelashes. I don't really trust with putting anything that close to my eyelashes, but I've heard other people say you can also put this on your eyelashes to grow your eyelashes and your eyebrows. Maybe I'll try this on the eyebrows, but I'm not doing it by my eyes. But anyway, this castor oil is excellent for your scalp. It's antifungal. It's great for growing hair. It increases circulation and it penetrates the scalp. Okay, the next oil I grabbed was the extra virgin olive oil. And we know this extra virgin olive oil has been around for centuries. It's used in a lot of beauty regimens. It's used all over the body and it's especially good for your hair. You can do hot oil treatments with this oil. It's a very moisturizing oil. It's an antioxidant oil and it's very beneficial to your scalp and it aids in the growth of your hair. Now vitamin E, this vitamin E is essential for everything in our body, including our hair. We don't manufacture vitamin E in our bodies. We have to get vitamin E through eating food. Vitamin E is one of the properties of hair. Hair is made up of keratin and sulfur, magnesium, and vitamin E aids in making all those things work. If you don't have vitamin E, you will not have hair. So this is why I added the vitamin E. And also the last oil that I'm going to add is the jojoba oil. Jojoba has the same, almost the same as our own sebum that we produce. It's a very close match. It's beneficial to the scalp. If you have dry scalp and hair, jojoba is very beneficial. It is very light. This oil you can also use to seal your hair with. This oil you cannot use in food like the other oils or the vitamin E, but is a very beneficial oil to your hair, and it mimics the same oil that we produce. Okay, so that is the oils I'm using. Now I'm going to add some essential oils. And the first oil I picked up, the essential, well actually this is biotin. This is a vitamin additive. You see people taking vitamin E as a product to boost their hair growth, and along with the other vitamins they take, biotin actually is supposed to produce faster hair, thicker hair. It's like MSM, and that helps you to produce thicker, healthier hair. If you're low in biotin, this is going to boost your biotin and make your hair grow faster and thicker. And another essential oil I have is rosemary. Rosemary is a very potent oil, so you don't want to use too much rosemary oil. But rosemary quickens hair growth when you use it on your scalp. And also peppermint oil. Peppermint oil is a very, very important oil to use when you're trying to grow your hair back. If you have any kind of hair loss, and breakage from the scalp, this is a very stimulating oil. And I put this oil in any kind of formulation that I'm going to make because it's very stimulating. I would not recommend this to just put on your hair alone, because peppermint oil is mainly for the scalp to promote growth, and it's very stimulating. Okay, so the next essential oil that I'm going to use is saw palmetto. And this oil right here, actually this is an extract, but this extract is so important. If you have any kind of baldness, like male pattern baldness, female pattern baldness, receding hairline, this is going to help, because this oil is a DHT blocker. I keep saying oil, this is an extract. DHT blocker. And a DHT blocker is what you have in higher levels as you get older and contribute to hair loss. And you could be a younger person and have male pattern baldness or female pattern baldness. What this does is blocks the DHT so that your hair could grow. And some people, if they don't use saw palmetto in any form, you can take it in pill form, you can take it in this extract form, and I believe they have saw palmetto berries that you can smash up and add that to your food, to your hair care regimen, and that should help you with lowering the DHT levels in your body, because if you have the DHT, that can cause male pattern and female pattern baldness. So this is counters the shedding, the female pattern baldness and the male pattern baldness. Very important herb. Okay, and the last oil I'm going to add is the lavender oil. Lavender is great, is a very, very potent oil. You don't want to use too much of this because it will overpower everything. The rosemary and the lavenders essential oils are very strong and powerful. These promote hair growth from the root all the way underneath the scalp. It strengthens your roots, it strengthens your hair, and it's excellent for your scalp, and it's antifungal. Like most of these oils, herbal oils, essential oils, antifungal, antibacterial. So these keep like some bad things away from your scalp, and they promote hair growth. Now all of these oils together is a mixture that I came up with, and I have seen others do some mixtures of oil, herbal oils, Ayurvedic oils. This is what I tried in the past and has worked for me. And also I'm going to try something new. I am going to add collagen. You know I'm in love with collagen, and you know that after we get a certain age, our collagen goes down. Well, guess what? Hair is also made of collagen. So I'm going to try this. I don't know how it's going to work. I'm going to put this in the oil mixture, and let's see what happens. But these oils and essential oils that I've used in the past, I know these work. They work for me. This additive, we're going to see. So anyway, that is everything that I mix to make this super hair growth concoction. Now I'm going to put it in this bottle. I got this bottle from Sally's, and I am going to put, of all the oils, I am going to put an ounce of each of these 7 oils. This is an 8-ounce bottle, and then I'm going to add drops. Like peppermint, I'm going to add 20 drops of peppermint oil. I'm going to add like 5 drops of lavender oil. Lavender is super duper potent, y'all, so you don't want to be putting a whole bottle in your mixture because it will be overpowered. Okay, and I'm going to put like 20 of the biotin in this mixture. I'm going to put like a few drops of rosemary oil, maybe 5, because this is another super potent oil that you don't want to put too much of in. And the saw palmetto. Now this one you can go a little bit ham if you want and add 20, 30, 40, because this is not an overpowering oil, but it's a very potent extract. I keep saying oil. This is an extract, and it will be beneficial in your formulation. Okay, so that's it, y'all. If you want to see me mix up the oil and put it in here, all I'm gonna do is just add the oil. And you know what? I'm gonna go off camera. Maybe I'll just show you. That's what I'm gonna do. I am gonna show you how I mix these oils. I will be back. I don't want this video to be too long. Anyway, if you have any questions about this oil, how to use the oil, how many times to use it a week, I'll make a part 2 to this video. Just let me know down in the comments if that's what you want. All the ingredients will be down in the description box. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed, and don't forget to like and comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. And don't forget to ask me questions about this. Anything you want to see, let me know. Bye, lovely.